Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tuqa and today I'll teach you 3 new letters: Hamza, Sin and Sheen, as well as some new vocabulary. So let's get started. We've learned 3 short vowels before: Fatha, Dhamma and Kasra. But you might be thinking that Fatha sounds like A, Dhamma sounds like U or O, and Kasra sounds like I. So what if we want to start a word with these sounds? For example, Ahmad. Ahmad is an Arabic name that starts with A. So how can we write this A in Arabic? Well, in this case, we need Hamza. Hamza. Hamza is written like this, and its sound varies depending on the short vowel that is associated with it. So, Hamza with Fatha is A, like A in Ahmad. Hamza with Dhamma is pronounced like U, and Hamza with Kasra is I. A, U, I. A, U, I. However, Hamza has several shapes, but for now we will learn only this one. Some call it Alif Hamza and some call it Hamza, but please don't ever call it Alif because it doesn't sound like Alif and it doesn't function as Alif. Alif doesn't have vowels and doesn't start a word, while Alif Hamza could be voweled and could be the first letter in a word. Actually, Alif in Alif Hamza is considered a seat for the Hamza, so it doesn't affect the sound of the Hamza. However, even Alif Hamza has several shapes. When Alif Hamza has Fatha, Dhamma or Sukoon, we write it like this, or this, the connectable shape. But when Alif Hamza has Kasra, we write it like this or this. Hamza goes below the Alif. And now let's see examples. Ab. Ab. Ab means father. So my father is Abi. Abi. Akh. 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 Akh means brother, and Akhi, my brother. Ukht, ukht, ukht. Ukht means sister, so Ukhti, my sister. Now let's read these words together. A, ba, ta, athbata. أثبت أثبت إثبات إثبات أجبر 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 إجبار إجبار. Sin and Sheen. Sin and Sheen are very similar. Both of them are connectable and each one of them has 4 shapes. So let's learn their shapes at once. Watch carefully. Seen. Seen is pronounced like the letter S in English, so it is very easy. For example, درس 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 means listen, and أسود أسود means black, so توت أسود توت أسود means blackberry توت أسود. Now sheen 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 is pronounced like the sh in the English word sheep sheep, so sheen sheen. For example, shy 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 means tea, and I drink tea is أشرب شاي أشرب شاي. أشرب is a verb and it means I drink. أشرب شاي. Well, he drinks is يشرب يشرب, and she drinks is تشرب تشرب. Of course, we're going to learn about verb conjugation later, inshallah, but for now, we're just taking a look. أشرب, I drink. تشرب, she drinks. And يشرب, he drinks. أشرب, تشرب, يشرب. And now the last exercise. Let's read. سبح سبح جسر جسر بأس بأس شد شد شرد شرد تشاجر تشاجر رشاش رشاش. That's it for today. Please don't forget to hit the like button. It means a lot for me. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Salam.